We have a situation where a mirror glass came off and broke. Use heat gun to scrape off this glass off the backing plate, so I can put a new glass on using some sort of adhesive that provided in the package, and put a new glass on the backing plate. Scrape off the glass. I use heat gun. Just be sure do not put it too close, as it will melt the plastic. So just put it up maybe like like a foot, or maybe 8 inch away from your broken mirror, okay, to remove the glass. And you can use this to scrape it off. Very important, make sure you wear gloves with broken glass. You don't want to get injured, get a cut, and go to the hospital. So after you remove it, you're gonna have something like this, like a backing plate. You can clean it up with alcohol here, and then make sure it's clean, and then just put your new glass that you bought. I bought it for like $20, and you can put adhesives on the glass or on the backing, whatever you like, and then press it on firm on the backing plate, and then ready to install. Put pressure on there. Try to put pressure around it, but actually it went in. Oh, on the full corner. 1, 2, 3, 6. I think it's done. I mean, it doesn't look perfect, but it doesn't come out.
Good job, James.
You save $100 something. I never know. How's it look?
Good. Did you say anything?
Probably lost.
Perfect.
Can you move it like that? Like that?